Hi, it's me again. I wanted to talk to you about something that is very interesting in the area of business. Let's look at the following companies: Microsoft, Guarantee Trust Bank, Procter & Gamble, Access Bank, Yahoo, Google, and Apple. Can you guess what these companies have in common? Well, you almost would have said a lot of the companies who are here are tech companies and the American companies. But we have two Nigerian companies here, and we have one big manufacturing concern. What is common to all these companies is that these are companies that were vetted out of business partnerships. If we start with Microsoft, Microsoft was started by two young people, Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Guarantee Trust Bank, started by Mr. Fola Adeola and the late Tayo Adeniroku. Procter & Gamble is a family business of two in-laws getting together. They married the same sister, and so on and so forth. Of course, the popular saying is that two heads is better than one. But that saying has now been modified to say it is two good heads that is better than one. How do we attain this case of two good heads being better than one? For a successful partnership to work, there are certain characteristics that must always be in place. Namely, one, the parties involved in the partnership must have what you call shared values. That means what they consider that is valuable are almost the same. Whether it is their work ethic, whether it's how they deal with issue of honesty, whether it's their way they deal with things that are valuable to them, the way they see the world. The other thing is the issue of trust. The other factor is the issue of trust. Without trust, there can't be business. So the parties that are involved must trust each other. They must also be open. That means they will not keep things inside. They are willing to work together as a partner to grow the business. They must also have mutual respect for each other. Why? Because where there's mutual respect, it goes down the value chain. The members of staff and everyone understand that there's a hierarchy. If you check these organizations, at different times, when those partners started the business, someone had to be the CEO. So it was somebody's duty to take the final decision. If you take the case of Microsoft, it was Bill Gates. If you take Guarantee Trust Bank, the first CEO was Fola Adeola. When he finished his tenure, he left and left it to the late Tayo Adeniroku. The same thing with Access Bank. The first CEO of Access Bank was Ike Mokwede. After Ike Mokwede left, the next person that took over is Herbert Wigwe. Herbert Wigwe is currently the CEO of Access Bank. So I've talked about the need for mutual respect among the parties. Lastly is that they must also have what you call knowledge about the business that they are involved in. The knowledge is very, very vital, because that way they can move faster and they can get things done. This is a short video. My next video will talk about the pitfalls that are involved in a business partnership. There are many things you can avoid because it's not all partnership that work, and there are many things that people do that end up hurting those partnerships, in some cases killing the business. I look forward to seeing you again, and I'd like you to leave a comment or to like this post if you found it valuable to you. Thanks and bye.